Villa Hesar represents a supreme achievement in contemporary architecture. Its central concept is to dissolve the rigid dividing lines between man-made structures and the surrounding natural landscape, creating a near-seamless integration. The villa's material aesthetic emphasizes a candid and textured approach. The combination of exposed concrete, wood, and natural stone not only creates a striking visual contrast but also creates an atmosphere that feels both solid and grounded, yet modern and minimalist. The building's design excellence lies in the principle of visual connectivity, consistently applied. This is achieved through the use of large, seamless glass facades, effectively transforming the building's entire perimeter into a series of panoramic frames that dynamically showcase the surrounding mountain views. The interior layout is organized through a clever zoning system. The spatial program is divided into separate volumes, each with a specific function, such as public, private, and service areas. This division creates an orderly circulation flow and a layered spatial experience for its occupants. The design principles applied to Villa Hesar can be adapted to a smaller scale. Some elements that could be adopted include the installation of large glass doors to unite the indoor and outdoor spaces, the use of a single natural material as a focal point on the wall, and the implementation of a minimalist furniture layout to create a sense of space. Every aspect of the design demonstrates a deep respect for the local natural environment. The building's orientation, canopy dimensions, and opening placement have been carefully calculated to maximize natural daylight during the winter and provide optimal shading in the summer, demonstrating a commitment to sustainable design. Villa Hesar redefines the meaning of luxury in architecture. Luxury is no longer defined by excessive ornamentation, but rather by the quality of spacious spaces, abundant natural light, fresh air circulation, and uninterrupted visual access to the outdoors. The principles of biophilic design, a philosophy that emphasizes the intrinsic connection between humans and nature, emphasize the intrinsic connection between nature and nature. By ensuring constant access to natural elements such as light, air, and views from within, this design psychologically enhances the well-being and serenity of its occupants. Ultimately, Villa Hesar stands as a powerful case study in how architecture can function as an intermediary, connecting humans with nature. Its success inspires reflection on how we inhabit space and interact with the environment in which we live.